Why don't you get it? Why don't you get it? Did you figure it out yet?
I don't know.
You need to figure out how to open the fucking can. The ground beef fucking. Did you make it? You fucking made it.
So that's how they do it.
Nani. So show these hoes how you do it.
Oh god, this shit looks so terrible.
What the fuck is that shit?
Hey, it's fully cooked.
Corned beef. What the fuck are you gonna do?
Corned beef, let that sink in.
Corned fucking beef. Already cooked. What the fuck are you gonna do now?
It smells already kind of bad.
Smells like tuna.
Oh, the can's greasy.
That's fucking disgusting.
Oh.
It smells like tuna.
Hand me a plastic fork.
Let's go. No fucking plastic forks. Wait a minute, yes there is.
We're gonna try this at room temperature.
We're gonna try this
We're gonna
room
try this, heat it up. David, hand me a small plate so we can heat it up. So we can try it at the same time.
I'm not gonna try that shit.
No, like I could try it at the same time. The hot version and the cold version.
There's nothing. It's all dirt. Wait a minute.
I don't care what it
Is
is.
this acceptable? It's fucking disgusting. Ah!
Okay, Dave, put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Was that not, Mom?
You think so?
30 seconds in the microwave.
You really expecting it? Fucking why?
It's for the taste test.
So many fucking things to do, man. Mom, he's doing a taste test. Corned beef. Fucking disgusting.
Try and get hot and then try and get cold.
Okay, but you guys can't just open these up to throw them away because he likes them.
Oh no, trust me, he's gonna eat it. He's gonna eat all of it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Mom, did you get the soda pop?
I gave you an extra $1 yesterday. What'd you do with that?
Yeah, stupid
The
bitch.
Sunny bought yours with a $1 bill, but I gave you $1
Here, Dave,
change.
grab it.
Fucking disgusting.
It's for the gang, David. Don't wipe it on my white shirt. What the fuck do you think this is?
It's fine.
David, what the fuck, dude?
I bought you, there's 2 white t-shirts right here. That you
That's what we get in your from white top, my right foot.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Oh, shit, my bad.
you,
Aw,
Greg.
thanks, man.
Thank you, Greg.
Yeah, they earned it. Yeah.
Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Those
see
are
you
my
guys
friends,
soon.
son.
In my
I said, those are
defense,
my
I didn't think
friends,
you
son.
better.
It's a fucking...
It's a white fucking shirt, my dude.
Oh, well, you have no good shit, Dave.
That was
Okay.
nice.
okay, let's do this.
We're gonna try it cold. Mom's gonna watch or no?
Yes.
Let's see his reaction.
Gotta have this on standby. Something
After
good.
this, it's goldfish spaghettios.
No. It's one a day. That's my policy.
It's not even a day.
Keep the camera stoked because it's irritating when you're watching a video and it's just they're all over the place.
So here's the cold version.
Is it disgusting?
Just let your palate warm up to it too, because sometimes you gotta acquire a taste.
Taste of fucking shit.
Not gonna swallow. Tastes like how dog food smells.
A lot like it. I was gonna give it to Shorty last night, but they told me not to.
It doesn't taste like the corned beef you make. I wonder why.
Because it's shit in the can. It's just shit in the can. It smells like tuna.
It scares me.
What's these taste test?
Maybe mixed with mayonnaise, it might make a good salad.
That is not fire. Did you eat another piece?
I'd rather have Spam.
You'd rather have Spam.
I'd rather have
At
Spam.
least you're opening yourself up for the taste. to taste it.
That's what you gotta do. Here, Dave, help me out now.
Alright.
Did anybody come by here?
See you on the next video, man.